Good morning, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Big up yourselves. I don't want to get wet this morning for sure, so let's check this log right here to make sure that we're on solid grounds and we're not going to slip. Check this one. This is all right. I'm not going to slip anywhere. Morning, guys. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Let me get this camera down a bit. Yeah, I'm using my small GoPro, guys. Pick up yourselves. Have a little bit of time I can kill this morning, guys, so I said let me get out, see if I can pick something up for you guys this morning. Who knows? Let's see what's up. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Let's see what's up. See what we can get this morning on the lure. High tide this morning, guys. Well, see if we can get it down there. Get that twitch in. There's some bait fish hanging around here. Get that lure out there, guys, in that sun. Guys, can't do any wade fishing today. Definitely not that. I'm surprised nothing hit this yet. Let's try right here. Ooh, I got hit after by a jack already. So I guess the jacks are right here feeding. Let's try over there. Let's fix my leader. And look for a second, make sure my leader's straight down here at the neck. Sometimes when the leader's not straight, guys, the lure don't swim too good, so you got to be extremely careful. Fish on already, guys. Look at this. Small barra. Oh, guys. Look at this Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Get it. Oh, he caught here, guys. Look at this. Let's get this camera in. Look at this, guys. Jamaican shore fishing here. Got that, guys. Look at that. Nice little barra. On the lure, on the twitch. He's alright. Let's get him on. Try not to have him. There, guys. Let's get him unhooked. Get him back in. Don't want my rod dropping in the water here, guys. Let's get this guy. Oh well, he got hooked pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see that. Got hooked pretty good there in his mouth. I'm gonna have to do a bit of surgery here with the pliers. Getting unhooked. I don't know if you guys caught that. My pliers back in the bag. I think I put it in the wrong slot. Hold on a second there, I'll get it near the right side. Oh no, wrong slot again. Lawn shore fishing. Trying to get my pliers put away without looking. That's not working out pretty good. But finally got it in there. I just want to make sure I secured it so I don't fall out while I'm doing what I'm doing. Anyway, shore fishing. Look, little small barra. We want to get this guy released. Let's get him released. He's out. He's out. There he go. He's under the log, guys. See him? See that, guys? Safe release. He's off. He's catching his breath and then he's going to be out. Nice little barrel. Always a pleasure getting you guys as a fighter. Look at him. Yeah, he's pretty stunned, but he's alright. Alright. Alright, barras never let me down, that's for sure. Alright, little fella. That's what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. Always one around hanging out. Let's get down there and see what we can pick up that side, guys. Yeah, guys, big up yourself, guys. Thank you for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and do watch the ads, guys. Come on. See what adventures I can get out this week for you guys. Come on. What's going on this weekend, guys, for you guys? Yeah, jacks are definitely feeding. Definitely killing a little time this morning, guys, before I go in. Lark. Didn't want that happening. These are the times I wish I could wade fish, guys. High tide. Nice casting when you get high tide in. Yeah, that bad boy, I felt my hook earlier, it burned his mouth up, you know. Thought I hit something for a second, guys. What time is it? Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that last camping video that I did, that we did, guys. We did put out all efforts in that one, and see what we can pick up for you guys. But stay tuned for more epic, exciting adventures. We're definitely going to get out a little bit more. Get to some different places, guys. Get you some different sceneries. Definitely, for sure. That is part of it. This whole fishing thing, traveling and doing it, and just going to different places and doing it, guys. Definitely, please like, share, subscribe, watch ads. Alright, guys, that's it for me. Alright, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, watch ads, guys, and thank you for joining the channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, boom, hit that subscribe button, please.